For 1 second, just realize this. If a person under hypnosis can unlock superhuman abilities with a simple suggestion, then you, fully awake, fully aware, can rewrite your life. You have already been hypnotized, not by a stage magician, not by a pendulum swinging before your eyes, but by society, by experiences, by the stories you were told as a child, and the identity you unknowingly accepted. Think about it. People under hypnosis have performed superhuman feats, strength they never thought they had, recalling memories they believed were lost, even walking pain-free through fire. But what is hypnosis really? It's nothing but a belief, accepted deeply enough that it overrides all doubt. And here's the truth that no one tells you. You don't need to be in a trance to experience this. The only thing keeping you from extraordinary transformation is the hypnotic suggestions you've already absorbed and the powerful ones you've never tried to adopt for yourself. Today, we are going to break the spell. Dr. Milton Erickson, one of the most famous hypnotherapists in history, said, "People are not their problems, they are the solutions waiting to be realized." And this is where it gets powerful. The subconscious mind doesn't question reality. It accepts whatever it is told repeatedly. That's why a person under hypnosis can be told they are a concert pianist and suddenly play music they never trained for. It's not magic, it's the removal of limiting beliefs. So let me ask you, what beliefs have you unknowingly accepted? That you are not smart enough? That success is hard and meant for other people? That love, wealth, or happiness are always just out of reach? Here's the breakthrough. If people can achieve extraordinary feats under temporary hypnosis, imagine what you could do if you consciously adopted powerful beliefs while awake. Write this down. If belief alone can make the impossible possible under hypnosis, then belief alone can make the impossible possible in real life. This is not a theory. It's proven neuroscience. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a leading researcher in neuroplasticity, explains, "Your brain doesn't know the difference between an experience that is real and one that is vividly imagined." In one of his studies, subjects who only visualized doing bicep curls without ever touching a weight experienced a muscle strength increase of 13% after a few weeks. No physical training, just belief translated into neural programming. The conscious mind sets the goal, but it's the subconscious mind that executes the reality. Here's what this means for you. If you believe you are confident, your actions will align. If you believe you are wealthy, your habits will reflect abundance. If you believe you are powerful, people will respond to your presence. Neville Goddard, one of the most profound teachers of the power of imagination, wrote, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and persist in that assumption until it becomes your dominant mood." In simple terms, the version of you that already has everything you want is real. But you have to assume that identity now, not later. So now you understand, you are already hypnotized. The real question is, who wrote the script you're following? Here's how you rewrite it. 1. Identify the hypnotic lies you've been living under. Write down the beliefs that are shaping your life today. Do they serve you? Were they given to you by fear, failure, or other people's limitations? 2. Replace the script. Remember, the subconscious accepts what it is told repeatedly. Instead of, "I'm not good at this, I am a fast learner." Instead of, "Success is hard, success is natural for me." 3. Embodiment. Become the new you before the world sees it. Act as if your desired reality is already true. The subconscious doesn't need proof, it needs repetition. Michael Beckwith, the spiritual teacher, said, "You don't need to wait for proof to believe. Believe first, and the proof will come. Live as if. Speak as if. Move as if." Let me tell you something that will shift your entire perspective. Your self-image is the foundation of everything you experience in life. It's not just how you see yourself. It's the script that dictates every action, every decision, and every outcome you create. And here's the truth. Your self-image has already been hypnotized into you. From childhood, you were conditioned, by parents, teachers, society, to see yourself in a certain way. If you were told you're shy, you're not smart enough, or success is for other people, your subconscious mind absorbed those ideas as absolute truth. And because your reality is a mirror of your self-image, you unknowingly live out that identity every single day. Now, here's the breakthrough. Hypnosis is simply the act of deeply accepting a suggestion as truth. And your self-image, it is nothing but a series of accepted suggestions. This is why hypnosis has been used by elite performers, athletes, and CEOs to program success into their identity before the world even sees it. Think about it. When Muhammad Ali said, "I am the greatest," it wasn't ego, it was self-hypnosis. He repeated it, believed it, and embodied it before the world ever saw proof. And because your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between a belief and reality, it went to work making it true. So let me ask you this. What identity have you unknowingly hypnotized yourself into? And more importantly, what identity are you ready to create? If you want to elevate your life, you don't need to become someone new. You need to dehypnotize yourself from the limiting beliefs that were never yours to begin with. And once you do that, the version of you that wins, thrives, and succeeds won't just be possible, it will be inevitable. If a person under hypnosis can unlock superhuman abilities with a simple suggestion, then you, fully awake, fully aware, can rewrite your life. You just have to believe differently. And when you do, the shift happens. Now tell me, what's the first belief you're ready to let go of? Drop it in the comments below.